Coming up on Parks and Rec TV, let's take a look into the world of gymnastics and tumbling. Then we'll discover Nature Fest at Catoctin Creek Park.
Gymnastics focuses on basic skills such as backward rolls, forward rolls, cartwheels, and round-offs. We also use different apparatus like the balance beam, the bars, and the springboard.
Tumbling for cheerleading focuses more on floor gymnastics such as back handsprings, round-off back handsprings, back tucks, and aerials.
First we start with warm-ups and then we move into jumps. Next we put our groups together.
And once we're in groups, we rotate through about 3 to 4 stations. At the end of class, all the participants come together in the middle of the gym and we end with motivational feedback to each other participants.
In gymnastics class, the students will gain basic knowledge of gymnastics. They will also make friends, have fun, and learn to tumble safely.
In tumbling for cheerleading, the participants will gain the knowledge to be able to independently do a back handspring, round off back handspring, back tuck, or aerial, whatever their individual goal may be.
Perfect Balance has been working with Frederick County Parks and Rec for many years. The Perfect Balance staff has experience in cheerleading competitively or through their high school, or they have gymnastics experience. Kelly and I have been working with Perfect Balance for about 10 years.
Our programs provide 8-week-long classes for elementary school through high school age children. We also provide a 6-week-long preschool gymnastics program, which is parent involved.
We also offer 3 summer camp programs: gymnastics, tumbling for cheerleading, and a basic cheerleading camp. All of our programs are co-ed.
If you're interested in getting information on any of our 3 programs, preschool gymnastics, basic gymnastics, or tumbling for cheerleading, please give us a call or visit us online.
We've been taking gymnastics for 2 years, and the best part about it is, what would you say?
Learning how to do new stuff.
And what?
Learning how to do new stuff.
Learning how to do new stuff, new moves, new gymnastics moves. And what would you say? Everything? Movement, exercise, that kind of stuff? So what do you think about taking this again? Would you like to take it again?
Yeah.
Yes? Would you like to take another class with the rec center?
Yeah.
Yes? And it's very convenient to home. It's only 15 minutes from our house and very conveniently timed and just convenient. A lot of classes and times that are offered in for our schedule. And we've enjoyed it very much and have learned a lot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? And we're going to take it again.
Mm-hmm.
Gymnastics is very convenient for us. We've been taking it for 4 years. We live right here in the neighborhood, and we're definitely going to be taking it again. My daughter's learning a lot, and she even takes the summer program as well. It's a week-long program in the summertime, and like I said, it's very convenient. We come up for the summer program. It's 3 hours and the first thing in the morning, and we enjoy the class, and she's learning a lot. And what's the best part about gymnastics?
That I'm learning new stuff.
Like what?
Like back handsprings.
In April, we'll have our annual Nature Fest event. This year it will be held at Catoctin Creek Park. Come and enjoy the great outdoors with us.
Nature Fest will be held here at Catoctin Creek Nature Center near Middletown, Maryland on April 21st from 10 to 2 o'clock. This event is open to all ages. This is a free community outreach event. Our theme this year is It's Easy to Go Green. So we will be highlighting green technologies, local agricultural groups, and we will have a variety of different activities, including nature hikes, guided nature hikes along our trails here at Catoctin Creek. We will also have a wildflower planting. We will have a live band playing at Nature Fest, Clear Springs, a bluegrass band from 11 to 1 o'clock, and we will also have Profit and Associates, the architects that designed Catoctin Creek Nature Center, here to talk about the green technologies that were used in the construction of our nature center. And we will have a live animal presentation by Trago Mountain Nature Center, and she will be bringing live raptors for us to enjoy. At Nature Fest, we will also have local vendors, including Maryland Department of Natural Resources, Inland Fisheries, Maryland Bluebird Society, and many Scout groups and 4-H groups will be in attendance. Hands-on activities will include nature crafts and opportunities to meet with our exhibit animals. Nature Fest is free and open to the public community outreach event. If you'd like more information on this event, please visit us at recreator.com or give us a call here at the Nature Center at 301-600-2050.
Thank you for tuning in to Parks and Rec TV. Stay tuned for a list of upcoming programs and events. And until next time, we'll see you in the parks.